I have got a delicious dinner recipe for you today that's sure to please the whole family. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we really believe that true wealth is good health, and it really all starts in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious balsamic ginger chicken and pear. Let's begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then to a small bowl or a liquid measuring glass, add in 2/3 cup of either vegetable broth or chicken broth. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of either heart-healthy olive or avocado oil. I have about 3 tablespoons here, so I'm going to measure out about a tablespoon. Doesn't have to be exact. This next ingredient is really what's going to make our recipe pop. I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced up ginger root, one of my favorites. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, which sometimes is referred to as the king of all vinegars. It is actually made out of fermented Italian grapes, and it's one of the only vinegars that is not made with alcohol. Last, for a touch of sweetness, I have 1 tablespoon of honey. Whisk together your ingredients and then set it aside. Now we are ready to cook up the chicken thighs. I'm using 4 large boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Pat them dry and then sprinkle them with 1/2 of a teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt mixed in with 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then, in an oven-safe skillet or pan, heat up the remaining 1 to 2 tablespoons of either olive or avocado oil on medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add in the chicken thighs. Cook until browned, about 4 to 5 minutes, and then flip over and carefully add in your sliced up pears and drizzle with the chicken broth mixture. Place your pan in the oven and cook until your chicken reaches 165 degrees, or when the juice runs clear when a knife is inserted in the middle, anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, the moment of truth. I'm ready to give this chicken and pear dish a try. A couple of things. So you can serve this up over top some of your favorite rice, cauliflower rice, maybe some sauteed shredded cabbage would be delicious, or maybe over your favorite salad, or just as a side dish with whatever else you're serving. Let's give it a try. The ginger looks so good on top. Get a bite with a little bit of the pear. Wow, I love those flavors. The pear adds just a little bit of sweetness. I love the ginger coming through, that little bit of spiciness that it gives. This is a winner. Okay, a couple of adjustments here though. I would use a little bit less of the broth if you don't want so much sauce with it, or you can thicken it up by adding in 1 to 2 tablespoons of arrowroot flour. So that would just make the sauce a little bit thicker, especially if you want to put it over top of rice or cauliflower rice. This is so good, super easy too. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for being with me today. Take great care of yourself this week. We appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.